everybody. This is a room tour video of room 3567, an interior quad share room. Just go through everything with you. Now, start off, this is your cupboard space, and your life jackets are up there. Here's some more cupboard space. You hang your clothes up. And in here is the toilet, bathroom, shower area. Now, as you can see, just a basic standard Royal Caribbean interior bathroom combo. And this is the shower cubicle area. I don't prefer the shower curtains. I don't like them whatsoever. I like the shower screens personally. Just here is your air conditioning controls, and one of your light switches are over here. Now, this is your seating area. Sorry for all the mess. You've got storage space behind there and there. Your light switch for that mirror is down there. Now, this here, these are your power points. You get two. On certain ships they actually turn them upside down. Others they might leave them normal, but this one has been on the side. The previous one we were on, Voyager of the Seas, they had them turned upside down, so you couldn't use one which had inbuilt USB ports to it. And to give you an idea, the camera is right down on the bench. Right? If you have a medical condition, you can ask for equipment to have an extension cord, which we did. We've previously filled out. My wife has a sleep apnea machine, and they have it for you ready the day of the cruise. And that's a bunk bed, and you've got two lights over there. Last of all, here's our couch. Sorry for all the junk, but that's the room. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video of it. Bye for now.